So Samsung just released the Galaxy S25 Ultra and it is packed with some exciting upgrades. But before you rush to upgrade, let's talk about why the Galaxy S24 Ultra might still be the perfect phone for you. So first off, the Galaxy S24 Ultra already has a premium design with a titanium and a gorgeous 6.8-inch display. Along with a 200 megapixels wide-angle camera, you are not missing out on the luxurious build or some stunning visuals here. On the other hand, the Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor while the S24 Ultra is running on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. But the 8 Gen 3 can still handle gaming, multitasking and Galaxy AI features like Call Assist, Photo Assist and many other features. On the camera point of view, the Galaxy S25 Ultra does have an upgrade of the ultra-wide camera up to 50 megapixels, but let's be real, the 12 megapixels already deliver the excellent quality for most of your needs. Unless you are a professional photographer, the difference might not justify the extra cost. Also, talking about the One UI 7, so the S25 Ultra comes up with a One UI 7 update, but you can still get the One UI 7 update on your older S24 Ultra as well in some time. And let's just not forget about the productivity. The S Pen on the S24 Ultra is just as responsive and useful on the S25 Ultra, making it perfect for note-taking, sketching or getting things done. If we talk about the glass build quality, so the front glass has the Gorilla Armor 2 on the S25 Ultra, while on the S24 Ultra it is Corning Gorilla Armor. And the main difference in the S25 Ultra will be the bezels. So the bezels are now curved in the S25 Ultra, while there's a major difference on the S24 Ultra. And if we talk about the display, so the display is still the same, the dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X with the 120Hz and 2600 nits of peak brightness, while the screen size is increased in the S25 Ultra with a 6.9 inch, while we have a 6.8 inch on the S24 Ultra. Also, the S25 Ultra comes up with the Android 15 and One UI 7, while we can still get the One UI 7 and Android 15 on the S24 Ultra in some time. So the Galaxy S24 Ultra still remains a powerhouse that delivers incredible performance, premium design and all the features that you love. So you can easily save your money and enjoy the Galaxy S24 Ultra, a phone that checks all the boxes. Also, do let me know in the comment section that are you getting the S25 Ultra or not, and if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.